CrazyMikesapps.com with an iPad app video demo for iCube 3D AR View. This iPhone and iPad app makes 3D models and animation come to life, supporting 40 different 3D model formats, music, and much more. To get started with this photography app, simply tap on the blue file folder in the bottom center of the main screen. It takes you into a file management area. On the bottom right, you're going to notice some file management tools: delete, refresh, and then a button to take you back to the main screen. Now, the delete button's not currently working, but it doesn't affect the app's performance other than you can't delete files currently. The developer is fixing that in an update. Load a file, you can view it in AR mode on or off. This is AR mode off. We're just looking at the 3D image. You can resize it by pinching and pulling out. It changes the scale. You can rotate it by tapping on the rotate button. You can change the orientation and then do a pinch and pull out to see the scale. And you can also take a screen capture. Now we've gone into the AR viewing. I'm using the iPad camera to actually show this 3D image using the AR marker. It's actually displaying the image on my green screen. That's why it's moving around a little bit, but I still use the functionality on the bottom right: rotate, change orientation, and screen capture. On the bottom left is a close and menu button. Now we're going to head into a 3D image that actually has an animation. I'm scaling it larger. I'm currently looking down top. Change the orientation. It's upside down. Now I can start the animation. I'm taking screen captures. I can rotate it. Lots of different things you can do. This app is very useful for presentations. Now here's an example of an animation with music, which is something this application supports. Again, rotate, I can stop the animation. Eventually, when this girl gets done dancing, she quiets down, she bows. Notice the AR marker is in a photo, so it's blended into the background. That is something you can do. Now here's another example of an animation with music. A dancing bunny rabbit in my hand because I'm holding the AR marker. Again, lots of possibilities with this application. Also, you have the opportunity to use multiple 3D images at the same time. You can maneuver them and manipulate them based on the buttons on the bottom right, and you can see that the AR marker also determines how the object or the image portrays, so you'll want to pay attention to that. There's a basic cube as well. You can download any of the files through iTunes with the application, through iTunes Sync, or you can download them right into the app, is what I did. Here are the instructions. They're very explanatory and they will help you get up to speed on how to use the application. The overview is a great place to start. That's where you can get the marker PDF files. You can also find out how to download 3D files and also the file formats this app supports. There is plenty of help in the help area, and there are updates coming to fix some of the issues like the delete, as well as provide more functionality. The app works in landscape mode as well. Again, works on both the iPhone and the iPad, providing you lots of possibilities on how to show 3D images. Until next time, Crazy Mike, saying see ya.